What you need to say were 3 to the x equals 3 to the fourth, this would be easy. The bases match, so x would just equal 4. But now look at 3 to the x equals 20. The bases do not match, and there's no clean way to rewrite 20 as a power of 3. That's when logarithms become useful. Think of logs as translators for exponents. When a variable is trapped up in an exponent, logarithms translate the equation into a form algebra can handle. So let's solve 3 to the x equals 20. First, take log of both sides. Log of 3 to the x equals log of 20. This works because if two quantities are equal, their logarithms are also equal. Now comes the key rule. The power rule for logarithms says log of a to the b equals b times log of a. That means log of 3 to the x becomes x log 3. So the equation becomes x log 3 equals log 20. Notice what happened. The logarithm translated the exponent into multiplication. The x is no longer trapped upstairs. Now solve it like normal algebra. Divide both sides by log 3. X equals log 20 divided by log 3. Now use a calculator. Type log 20, then divide by log 3. You should get about 2.73. So the solution is x approximately equals 2.73. And this answer makes sense. 3 squared is 9, and 3 cubed is 27. Since 20 is between 9 and 27, the exponent should be between 2 and 3, and 2.73 fits perfectly. One last thing, you could also use natural logs instead of regular logs. ln works the same way here, and you still get approximately 2.73.